Hi, this is Mrs. Arriaga from the library team, and I'm going to briefly introduce you to databases. The word database might sound scary because it certainly means research, but you actually use databases much more frequently than you may know. If you use Google, you are using a database. A database is simply a collection, an organized collection of data. So that when you search for something in Google, you don't get totally unrelated results because it's an organized collection of data. It's able to provide you with relevant results. Now, we know that it's not always true, but for the most part, you're getting relevant results based on your search terms that you enter into the search box. What makes our databases different than a Google is that we pay for them. And they're also geared for the high school and college level. And they're specific to content that is covered during the course of your 4 years here at Moreau Catholic. And that's why we've chosen them, so that you can find helpful resources. If you click on the databases icon, you'll be brought to our page that lists all of the different databases we make available to Moreau Catholic students. If you were instructed to find a database that would be helpful for a given project, it would be overwhelming because there are a lot listed here. What we do to make it less overwhelming is we work with your teacher so that we can provide you with the best resources, the best databases to search within for a given assignment. So you'll work with us at the beginning of a research assignment and learn about which databases are best suited for that assignment. And then we'll show you how to search within each database. Because each database looks different and it's different to search within. So we'll provide you with all of that helpful information at the time of need. But know that we have many databases available to you. And also know that when you go off to college in 4 years, the amount of databases available to you will grow exponentially. We have probably over 50. When you get to college, you'll probably have available to you over 400. So knowing how to use databases here is going to be very helpful when you go off to college and also when you begin your career as well. And this presentation was brought to you by the library team.